combat climate change and provide affordable energy, 137 countries committed to net zero. Lots of renewable energy projects need to be built, as today, only 33% of the energy sources are renewable. Between you and me, it's a fantasy, because 80% of renewable energy projects fail during development because of manual and inefficient site selection, wasting billions of dollars per year and slowing the energy transition. My name is Matias, Sigal, CEO of Replace. During the last 4 years, I have been developing renewable energy projects, and I saw firsthand how much time and money is wasted on inefficient project development. I even waste 18 months in one case. The main reason why projects fail is because developers find the sites manually. And after working on a location for months, they find out they are not able to build because of the environment, landscape, or grid. It takes developers around 4 months to find a location. We will do it live together in 20 seconds. Because Replace developed a proprietary data analysis algorithm that finds the optimal location in few clicks. The user input their envisioned project, and then the algorithm finds the optimal location, checking more than 40 parameters of proprietary and public data. And then we actually show the actual parcel of land for that project to be successful. We are not only fast, we reduce the development risk and maximize the return of investment. We sell the SaaS to solar developers, and we envision to grow for wind, hydrogen, and storage, and hopefully as well data centers. We work as a SaaS. It's an annual subscription per technology, per country. In the last year, we had significant growth. We raised $575,000 from strategic investors. With that funding, we hired an amazing team. We built the product working in 2 countries for 2 technologies. And the thing I'm the most proud of is that we signed 5 customers, including EDF, Doral, and Elawan in the US. I'm not doing this alone. My CTO, Alan Algamis, developed the technology. He has more than 14 years experience in software solutions, and we gather more than 100 years experience in renewable energy, data science, software, and business development. In the next year, we envision to reach 1.2 million in IRR because we will go commercially to the US. We will start working also with wind or storage and keep building in-depth algorithm while we keep creating proprietary data. So here, I want to open to you an opportunity to make an impact on the environment. If you're an investor or an energy company, work with us. So Replace can become the one-stop tool for the development of renewable energy projects. Thank you.